Alright, just got me a package from Temu. I don't know, however you say that. Stickers, screws, I suppose, so you can tag this thing, which will tighten the bag, but alright, see what we got here. It's actually pretty nice because I kind of figured this would be plastic, but it's metal. USBs, both 2.1 amps. What is your switches? Pretty standard. Let's see. We get in there. Yep. Man, that is hard to read. All right. Yeah, no clue. Alright. It doesn't want to come out. That's a fuse. I would probably get my own fuses and put in it, since these are from China. And you honestly don't know what you're getting. But other than that, I mean, this is actually pretty nice. I honestly thought it would be a lot cheaper. But it does look pretty good. I mean, if you're buying one of these, you're going to know what it's for. You know, marine. Stick it in your shed. You use it with your 12 volt. For your solar. Or in a boat. Or wherever you want it. If you want to make some type of battery box, you could use this. But yeah, that's pretty nice. Like I said, it's a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. I really thought this thing was going to be made out of plastic, but it's metal. So yeah, I mean, I haven't tested it yet. I'll have to hook it up, make sure the voltage regulator works. I'm sure it does. But yeah, as long as it works okay, I would buy it again. I can't remember what I paid for it though. I'll have to look it up. I'll put it in the description if I can find it. They changed so much on there. A lot of them places on Temu seem to sell out, or so they say they sell out, so I don't know. But I'll find I'll see if I can find what I paid for it and at least put that in. Try to narrow down where I got it, but off of there. But they sell a bunch of these on there. But like I said, this one is pretty nice. How well the stickers stick, I don't know. But yeah, pretty cool. Alright guys,